I am super excited to be here today to talk to you about the VERA app and how it puts the power of WellSpa IO in the palm of your hand. VERA guides you through routines and it gives you insights into your performance. So the first thing we need to do is turn it on. I'm going to do a routine on my lower left arm. So I'm going to run the routine and it's going to tell me that I need to apply my serum. This is a great product and it comes out so easy out of the container. Now I'm gonna rub it in, but I'm not very much, just kind of spread it around because I really want the device to rub it in. I turn the device on and I touch it to my skin and right away it knows that it's time to work. I can tell it's working because I can hear some white noise. Plus, in the app, there are Empower rings that are pulsating that let me know that the current is flowing. There's white rings and there's blue rings, and they change based off the conductivity of my skin. And the conductivity of my skin, I'm trying to keep consistent. But if I move out to a place where there's not much product, it's gonna pick up on that, and the rings are gonna let me know that there's something different with that. Now, if I really want to get into it and really know how the current is working, I'm going to hit the Insights button. And here's where Empower Insights really come alive. The top graph is telling me the microcurrent intensity, and I can see how it's being optimized for my skin. There's also the waveform. The waveform shows me that it is indeed a biphasic, meaning that it pulses 10 times positive and 10 times negative, but it also is showing me the intensity of that. And again, I can see those changes when I move to different areas of my skin that have more or less product on it. Comfort events is where it gets really, really interesting. A comfort event is where I know the adaptive microcurrent is working for me. But if I take the device off, it pauses, I bring it back, it reconnects, but now it has to charge back up essentially and figure out that optimal current for me again. And that's that comfort event. Or again, if I move someplace where I don't have much product, it'll pick up on that and it'll have to readjust there too. It's also looking at microcurrent adjustments. Those microcurrent adjustments are all the little adjustments the current's making to help optimize the microcurrent technology for me. Plus, there's a product meter. The product meter is really important because it lets me know when and if I need to apply more products. So again, I can keep that current flowing perfectly for my skin. It really helps to optimize it. And last, we've got the movement graph. I should be using slow movements to help just lightly massage it in. But if I start going crazy and moving it back and forth, all of that gets picked up. I can see it in the movement, I can see it in my microcurrent. It knows what's happening and it's giving me a current based off of this. All of these Empower Insights let me know that the adaptive microcurrent is working for me. It provides me with Empower.